We have roofs ripped completely off 2 or 3 different trailers. We got trees twisted, tops are ripped right off. There's heavy damage throughout the trailer park here on the northeast side.
Down inside of it, might have just been stuck in.
Thank you.
Actually, that helps.
Never experienced this in my life, never thought it would ever happen.
Like I said, the living room came bursting in and we dropped to the ground and covered.
Five seconds, I mean, it sounded like a train was going right by you. And it lasted 5 seconds and it was gone.
Very, very thankful. Could have been a lot worse. Actually had to climb over everything. The entire ceiling was caved in on the floor. The couches were all pushed up into the kitchen where we were. Climbing over all that, the glass, like I said, the roof,